In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text move in Adobe After Effects. We'll walk through a simple, beginner-friendly way to animate text from one position to another using keyframes. By the end, you'll understand not just what to click, but why it works, so you can start creating your own custom text animations. First, open your project in Adobe After Effects and make sure you're in the main composition where your text is located. You should see your layers in the timeline at the bottom of the screen, and your preview or composition window in the center. Next, locate your text layer in the timeline. This is the layer that contains the text you want to animate. Click directly on that text layer to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. This tells After Effects that any animation you create next will apply specifically to that text. Now we're going to work with the position property. With the text layer still selected, press the P key on your keyboard. This is a shortcut that opens the position property for that layer in the timeline. You should now see a line labeled position with a set of numbers next to it. Those numbers represent the X and Y coordinates of your text in the composition. To start the animation, we need to create the first keyframe. Look for the small stopwatch icon to the left of the position property. Click that stopwatch once. When you do, After Effects creates a keyframe at the current point in time, locking in the starting position of your text. You'll see a small diamond icon appear on the timeline, which represents that keyframe. Next, move the playhead, also known as the timeline indicator, forward to where you want your text to end up. You can drag it along the timeline or click at a later time. This will define how long the animation takes. For example, moving it 1 or 2 seconds ahead will create a quicker motion. With the playhead in the new position, go back to your composition window and drag the text to a new spot on the screen. You can move it left, right, up or down depending on the motion you want. As soon as you move the text, After Effects automatically creates a second keyframe. Now the software knows the starting point and the ending point of your text. If you press the spacebar to preview, you'll see your text smoothly move from the first position to the second between those two keyframes. And that's it. You've just made your text move in Adobe After Effects using basic position keyframes.